Okay, today we're going to talk about a couple of things that may or may not make a lot of sense when you're thinking about the price point of purchasing a home. A lot of people are moving up to get that larger home, and a lot of people may be right-sizing or downsizing. There's a few things to think about. First of all, when you are putting together your buying power or how much you want to buy or spend on a home, there's a few things you should take into consideration. Things that may not be common sense when you're thinking about what you can afford in a home. But a typical home requires about 1 to 2% of the purchase price per year in maintenance. Now, maintenance can be simple things like paint, updating shutters because of the need, not just the want, but the need, maybe wood rot or issues there. It can be rebuilding a deck. Even though a deck may be perfectly fine today, 6 months from now we may need some updating to it. So 1 to 2%. So if I'm going to buy that $300,000 home, I am looking to invest somewhere in basic maintenance of that house about $3,000 to $6,000 per year. Now, newer homes may take a little bit less, but I can't guarantee that. So there may be things that still have to be resolved. Can be a 6-year-old air conditioner that suddenly we have issues with because it's pumping to the highest point in the house, so the drain's a little bit more. So maintenance is important. That's cleaning air conditioning, furnaces yearly, checking the roof anytime there's hail damage or any kind of wind, storms. Getting those things repaired quickly may reduce down the amount that you're paying for in the maintenance portion of the house. Now, one big factor, a lot of people feel like, gosh, in 2008, 9, 10, 11, I stole this house. Example, I paid $1 million for this home, but the guy who built this home paid $3.5 million to build it. Great deal. But we have to remember that that house still is 2%, 1% of the price that it was built for to maintain it. So I'm not looking at $1 million taking that 1%. I'm looking at $3.5 million. And that amount is what I'm going to base off of what my maintenance could be. Houses that have swimming pools, houses that have sprinkler systems. We're adding a few maintenance features on each time that do need yearly updating. We always say, gosh, a sprinkler system, it should work for years and years, but we still may decide to run over that with a mower or the side of our car tire, something like that, that we need to replace something simple, but it can also be something a little bit more in depth. So when you're budgeting, looking to buy a house or looking to downsize from a house, remember those basic maintenance costs should be part of your thinking when you're looking to make that next investment. If you have any questions, please contact me direct. Thanks.